Hey guys, my name is Francisco Hernandez, and today's video is going to be a very quick one because all I wanted to do in today's video is let you guys know about a group buy happening on the Explorer 400 Pro that was organized by myself and Adorama. If you're not familiar with what a group buy is, it's very simple, and that when more of you guys commit to buying either the Explorer 400 Pro or the different kits that I'm going to talk about in a quick second involving the 400 Pro, then the bigger the discount is going to be on the 400 Pro and those different kits. I seriously highly recommend this Explorer 400 Pro, also known as the Godox AD400 Pro. I've used it for many years, and you can actually see some of those photo shoots that I've done using the light on my channel with behind the scenes videos that I've made using that light. I've used it for day photo shoots, I've used it for night photo shoots, and if you guys have any questions about this light, then definitely let me know in the comment section below and I'll reply as soon as possible. But let's go ahead and start talking about each of the different kits. Kit number one is actually going to be the Explorer 400 Pro by itself. At regular price, the Explorer 400 Pro is $649, but when 20 of you guys commit to buying this light, it becomes $584.10. When at least 50 of you guys commit to buying the light, it becomes $551.65. When 200 of you commit to buying it, it becomes $519.20. And when at least 500 people commit to buying it, it becomes $454.30, which is almost a discount of $200. Kit number two is very similar to kit number one in that it involves the Explorer 400 Pro, but it also includes a couple of other things as well. Kit 2 includes the Explorer 400 Pro, the new R2 ProII Transmitter, a 9.5 foot light stand, and the 48-inch Glow Easy Lock Octabox. At regular pricing, all those different items combined together becomes $847.95, but with the 4% base discount, it becomes $814.03, and when 20 of you commit to buying it, it becomes $720.76. When 50 of you commit to buying it, it becomes $678.36. When 200 of you commit, it becomes $593.57, and when 500 of you commit to buying it, it becomes $508.77, which is a discount of almost $340. Kit number 3 is very similar to kit number 2, but involves a different modifier. For kit 3, you're getting the Explorer 400 Pro, the R2 ProII Transmitter, a 9.5 foot light stand, and the 44-inch Glow ParaSnap. At regular pricing, all those items together is $1,006.95, but with the 4% base discount, it's $996.67. When 20 of you commit to buying it, it becomes $855.91. When 50 of you commit, it becomes $805.56. When 200 of you commit to buying it, it becomes $704.87. And when 500 of you commit to buying it, it becomes $604.17, which is more than $400 off. If you guys are interested in buying the Explorer 400 Pro or either of the two kits that I talked about in today's video, check out the link that's going to be in the description area below, as well as in the pinned comment, because it's going to be a link to a Google form document where you can let me know which kit that you're interested in buying, as well as where you can submit your email, which is going to be very important because it's going to be through that email where I'm going to notify you guys in a week about how you can get a bigger discount on those lights. So definitely make sure that your email is completely correct when you're submitting it, because again, it's going to be very important. It's going to be how I'm notifying you guys about the bigger discounts on these different kits. Also, when I go ahead and send these emails out, I'll definitely let you guys know on Instagram, as well as on my Facebook, and also through a community post here on YouTube. But you definitely do want to check your spam folder a week from now. So definitely don't forget to check the spam folder. But that's pretty much it for this video. Definitely go ahead and share the information about this group buy with as many people as you can, because again, the more people that buy, the bigger the discount, and that's just going to benefit everybody. Take care, guys, and I'll see you in the very next video.